Which among the following statement is are correct in relation to the concept of limited liability partnership? So which of the following, the question is asking what? Which of the following is are correct in relation to the concept of limited liability partnership? First is saying a limited liability partnership is a body corporate formed under the Limited Liability Partnership Act 2008 and is separate from its partner. Okay, first statement is saying. Second is saying a limited liability partnership has perpetual succession. Third is saying any change in the partner does affect the existence, right or liability of limited liability partnership. So an LLP shall have at least 5 partners here. Okay, the fourth is saying any individual or body corporate may be a partner in LLP. So LLP shall have at least 2 designated partners, of whom at least 1 must be resident in India. Next is saying the LLP is a separate legal entity, is liable to the full extent of its asset. So liability of the partner is unlimited here. Sixth is saying no partner is liable on the account of the independent or unauthorized action of other partners. Next, mutual rights and duties of the partners within the limited liability partnership are governed by the agreement between the partners or between the partners and the LLP as the case may be. The incorporation document, other information is filled with the registrar of the state where the registered office is situated. So these are the 8 statement has been given on the limited liability partnership, and the question is asking which of the following is correct. Okay, the question is asking which of the following is correct. And the options are, these are the options. So let's understand first by the statement which is the correct statement and which is not. If I talk about the first statement, it is saying limited liability partnership is a body corporate formed under the Limited Liability Partnership Act. The first is correct, right? The first statement is correct. Second is saying LLP has perpetual succession. That is also correct, right? Third is saying any change in the partnership does affect the existence, right or liability of the LLP. No, it is not correct. The third statement is not correct because LLP is a separate legal entity, completely separable from its member. So why the third statement is wrong? Because LLP is a separate legal entity that is completely separable from its member. So any change in members or partner does not affect the liability or existence of the LLP, but it is saying it does affect. That's why it's wrong. The third statement is wrong. Now, next fourth is saying any individual or body corporate may be in partnership, may be in partner in LLP. LLP shall have at least 2 designated partner, of whom at least 1 must be resident in India. That is true. Okay, this one is correct. Now, the fifth is saying the LLP is a separate legal entity, is liable to the full extent of its asset, and liability of the partner is unlimited. So this is wrong. This is also wrong. Why it is wrong? Because when it comes to the liability of a partner, this is limited to their agreed contribution. This is not unlimited. This is limited and limited according to their contribution. And under the LLP. So that's why the fifth statement is incorrect. Okay, now the sixth is saying no partner is liable on account of the independent or unauthorized action of the other partner. That is correct. The mutual rights and duties of the partner within a limited liability partnership are governed by an agreement. That is also true. Between the partners or between the partners and the LLP as the case may be, this is also true. Eighth is saying the incorporation document and other information is filed with the registrar of the state where the registered office is situated, and this is also true. So the correct statement are all except 3 and 5. Third and fifth are not correct. All the other statements are correct here, right? So the answer will be the option where the third statement and fifth statement is not defined. So first is saying third, A is not correct. Second is saying first, second, fourth, sixth, 7, 8. So this is correct. Here it is third and fifth, that's why it's not correct. Here it is third and fifth, that's why it's not correct. So the right answer will be your B option. The right answer will be your B option. So the questions may be very lengthy in the paper, as we have seen in the Indian economy paper that was unpredicted from the side of IIBF. So what we have to do, we have to focus. Like the statement or the questions can be lengthy, but you do not have to worry about it because this is all about concept. If you know everything about the limited liability partnership, you will be easily able to answer this. Okay, so the right answer will be here your B.